Understanding the cosmic phenomenon, black hole merger. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's exciting journey into the depths of space and science. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of a black hole merger. This term might sound complex, but worry not. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and why it's important in the world of astronomy. So, let's dive into the cosmic depths together. Before we talk about their merger, let's understand what a black hole is. A black hole is an area in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It's like a very deep well in space where everything gets pulled in. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. They are fascinating objects in the universe and have been a subject of study for many years. Now, let's talk about what we mean by merger. In simple terms, a merger is like a union or coming together of two things. In the context of black holes, it means the process where two black holes come so close that they start affecting each other with their gravity, eventually combining to form a single, larger black hole. Understanding how black hole mergers happen involves some complex physics, but let's simplify it. Imagine two black holes orbiting each other in space. As they move, they lose energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. This loss of energy causes the black holes to move closer together. Eventually, they collide and merge, creating a single, more massive black hole. Black hole mergers are not just spectacular cosmic events, but they are also crucial for our understanding of the universe. They help scientists learn more about gravitational waves, black hole properties, and the evolution of galaxies. Each merger event is a unique opportunity to gather valuable data and test our theories about the universe. One of the most exciting parts is detecting these mergers. Scientists use specialized instruments like LIGO and Virgo, which are gravitational wave detectors. These instruments can hear the ripples caused by merging black holes, allowing scientists to study these events even though they happen millions or billions of light years away from Earth. And that's a wrap on our journey through the cosmic phenomenon of black hole mergers. I hope this video has shed light on this awe-inspiring aspect of our universe. Remember, each black hole merger tells a unique story of the cosmos, and we're just beginning to understand these stories. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more such fascinating topics with you. Keep looking up and keep learning.